In this video, I will show you how to transfer your memory from ChatGPT to Gemini. So first of all, make sure to open both ChatGPT and Gemini and separate tabs. Then make sure you're logged in into your account as well. After that, of course, we would like to go into Gemini. Then here at the bottom left, you can find your icon. At the top of it, you'll find settings. Click on that. From here, you'll have to go and click on import memory to Gemini. Once you click on that, you'll find yourself on this page. Here you can go and click on copy. So copy this prompt into a chat with the other AI provider. You can do that with ChatGPT or any other AI that you've been using. So here I'm just going to click on copy, go to ChatGPT, start a new chat, and paste the answer or the prompt right there. Hit enter or send prompt, and you'll have to wait for the answer. Once you get the answer, all you need to do is just go and copy this, then go back to Gemini, and all you need to do is just go and paste the response here. Once you paste it, as you can see, you can go and click on add memory, and it will be added to your memory. You successfully now transferred your memory from ChatGPT to Gemini without any problems. Of course, if you want, just go back to the settings again, click on memory or import memory. Here you can also import chats. You can go to the other AI provider if you want to, as an example. Let's just say any chats here that you've been talking to the AI too much or about specific thing, and you will need to export the data from a supporter AI provider. And you will need to upload the zip file up to 5 gigabytes. So here, if you go, an example, to your icon on ChatGPT and click on settings, you'll find on this left panel data controls. Click on that, and here you have export chat. You can go and click on export, and of course click on confirm exports. You will receive basically a code on your email, as you can see here. Enter it out. So for me, I already done that. I can just go here to my email. Of course, you may not receive the file right away. You will have to wait, an example, for 30 minutes sometimes 1 hour until you receive the file that will let you export your data. So, an example, as I said, I did it here before. So now all you need to do, just wait for the file. You'll be able to receive a downloadable file. Just go and download it, then come back here, click on add, and make sure to upload the file to Gemini. As you can see, you can upload up to 5 gigabytes, so you don't have to worry about the size. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.